everyone! So today I'm here with a new recipe. It's a British classic, but I'm gonna add a little bit of cherries to make a cherry apple crumble. So we'll take about half a cup cherries. I have removed the seeds. There is apples roughly chopped, about half a lemon for the juice and some zest. I'm taking cinnamon powder, white sugar and brown sugar. Brown sugar would just add a little bit of crunch, so let's get started. So we need to take some apples and cherries and we're gonna jam it together and caramelize it, kind of a stewy texture that we are looking for. So in goes the apples and cherries, and here I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can add nutmeg in case you want to have a different flavor. There goes our lemon zest, just a little, and we are gonna add half a lemon juice. This is gonna get all those lovely flavors compiled together. So half a cup of white sugar, and I'm gonna use about just 1/4 of the brown sugar just for that crunchy different flavor texture. You can do a mix, you can do only white sugar also. I'm leaving aside the remaining sugar for the crumble. Now in goes about 1/4 cup of water, giving it a very good stir so that it caramelizes and becomes very jammy and kind of a fruit stewy flavor that we can have. So let's just cover this now and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is the time you can see all the sugar is melted down, apple and cherries are turning tender. Look at all that bubble rising up. Oh wow, there's a beautiful aroma of cinnamon, sugar, fruits combined together, and as you can see, this mixture is slowly gonna thicken into a nice jammy flavor. Then we can turn off the gas and keep it aside while we head on to making our crumble. So now for the crumble, we are going to use some flour, oats, cold butter, mind you. It has to be cold so we have that nice crumbly texture. So in goes the butter with the flour and oats, and we are slowly gonna mix the flour and the oats along with the cold butter, slowly softening with our fingers only. We don't want the butter to melt completely. I know it gets messier, but trust me, once this is ready, you are gonna gorge on it. So in goes the vanilla and the powdered sugar and the remaining brown sugar we kept. Finally adding the oats and mixing them all together to form this beautiful crumble. So for the final part, here we are with the crumble ready and our jammy fruit syrup. I have lightly greased the tray with butter, but you can skip this step completely. So in goes all of the beautiful textured, cooked, stewy, fruity flavored apples and cherries. And on top of this, we are gonna layer and put more layers and layer and layer and layers of our buttery crumble. So I'm just gonna whack all these layers over the top. We need to have a nice thick layer so as when we cut it off, it's gonna crumble. That's how it's named, apple crumble. But in my case, it's apple and cherry crumble, cherry apple crumble, however you name it. So in goes this into the oven for about 180 degrees, and I'm gonna leave it about for say 30 to 45 minutes, and let's see how this works out. Oh my god, now look at this. It's turned into a nice cakey and crumbly with the perfect layer, I believe. Let's see. So here it is, right fresh out of the oven, and let's just cut it out. Yes, you need to cut this out right away while it's piping hot, because there's something that we need to add right on the top of it. Can you guess? Of course, it has to be a vanilla ice cream right on the top of this beautiful texture. Look at the way it's just crumbly and all the juices and sauces have come together. So here is our vanilla on top. We're gonna just pour in some of the liquid, the jammy saucy one. Look at this meltdown. Oh my god, can we just appreciate this one? And I hope you guys like this video, so do share, like and comment. Do give it a thumbs up. See ya!